Hello, welcome back to my channel. On this video today, we're going to be making puff puff with 4 ingredients. We have sugar, yeast, water, and all-purpose flour. I want to use this privilege to say thank you to all my subscribers. Oh, I love you all so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to use the comment section, or you can contact me on my Instagram. It will be on the description box below. So I'm going ahead to sieve all the ingredients. Make sure all your ingredients are sieved because we don't want lumps in our puff puff, and it makes it easier for mixing. When making yeast, you don't want it too light, you don't want it too thick. You want to make sure you mix it that there is no lumps anymore in them. So you want to go ahead and cover with aluminum foil for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can see the results. Sorry, I went off camera to mix it so that there won't be any bubbles. Then you can just go ahead and fry after preheating your oil. You can use a spoon, you can use a scooper, but I prefer using my hands, but my hands are already washed. So you just have to flip it over for a proper cook, and when it's gold brownish, then you can take it off the oil. And don't forget to fry your puff puff in a medium heat. Fry it in a medium heat for a proper cook. When it's too high, your puff puff is gonna get burned without being cooked, and when it's too low, it's just gonna soak your oil. Guys, please don't forget to click on the like button, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment on the comment section about what you think about this video. And if you have any question, you can do the same. Thanks for watching. Until next video.